Yeah, it's the DStv Mzansi Viewers' Choice Awards Pre-Awards Awards Show. A YouTube exclusive where we hit the streets and find out what unsuspecting South Africans think of our DMVCA nominees. Today's award category is Favorite Music Artist or Group. The music industry may have taken a bit of a hit over the last few years, but South African musos are going big on the comebacks and come-ups.
I see it booming. I know hip-hop's one of the biggest genres in the world, but I see piano taking it there too.
I hope that maybe a lot more up-and-coming artists will have opportunities to perform, live, more concerts and all of that.
COVID really took its toll on artists, events and everything like that. So I believe things are going to open up and we're going to see a new wave of artists coming through.
True that.
Sure, we will have reached a wider audience. We're going to be touring a lot, like our local DJs, Major League, and they are touring since they're in UK now.
That's cool.
So I feel like after the pandemic, it's just going to be on another level,
I really think that South Africa is the motherland, and we are so, besides loving, I think we influence a lot of people.
Right?
I'm surprised whenever I hear somebody play a vernacular song and they are, let's say, Indian. They're really interested in learning and finding out exactly what it is. So I do think South Africa in general, with the artists it's got, has potential by far.
They show what South Africa is about and the realness of South Africa to the world.
Everything is promising. The future looks great for the music industry in South Africa.
I feel inspired, yes.
Speaking of up-and-coming musos, we've got some hidden talent waiting to make it big out here.
The singer.
I'll be the hype man. I like to be the face, I'll be the hype man. I'll be hyping the show up like, hey guys, we here to kill that, yeah.
It would be a trio, and it would be a rap trio. Because I got 3 friends and they're rappers, so it would be a rap trio.
How even?
I'll sing.
Okay.
I'll play something. I want to play like the drums or like the something, man.
Okay, sure. Let's check out the nominees for Favorite Music Artist or Group. Makhadzi, Zakes Bantwini, Big Zulu and Scorpion Kings.
Big Zulu, Makhadzi is really energetic, so when you listen to her songs, you also groove, and it's like a fitness workout. I don't know. Makhadzi.
Big Zulu. Scorpion Kings. Definitely Scorpion Kings, yeah.
Big Zulu.
Scorpion Kings.
Wait, what?
Sorry.
Scorpion Kings.
Yeah. Makhadzi.
I'll go for Makhadzi.
Zakes Bantwini.
Makhadzi.
Zakes Bantwini.
Makhadzi.
Zakes Bantwini.
The queen, darling.
No.
Big Zulu.
Makhadzi.
Scorpion Kings.
Maybe Zakes also might take it. He's good.
Before I'd go Big Zulu, but I'm gonna go with Scorpion Kings, actually, yeah.
Scorpion Kings. I'm gonna go with Scorpion Kings again.
Makhadzi all the way.
For that one, I'll have to say Zakes Bantwini.
Scorpion Kings.
Makhadzi. Scorpion Kings.
I'll go for Makhadzi again.
I'll go for Zakes. Makhadzi.
Big Zulu.
Yeah, I'll go to Scorpion Kings, eh?
Scorpion Kings.
Big Zulu.
Scorpion Kings. Zakes Bantwini.
Makhadzi.
It looks like Makhadzi is today's favorite muso. Who would you have picked? Make sure you have your say in the real DMVCA. Vote for Favorite Music Artist or Group in the 2022 DStv Mzansi Viewers' Choice Awards right now. Like this video and subscribe to the DStv YouTube channel so you don't miss our next DMVCA's Pre-Awards Awards show. As chosen by the people.